Hi, I'm Annette Slone. I am the STEAM teacher at Coastal Ridge, and we are so thrilled to have this program back this year. Last year, we took a pause so that I could teach third grade to reduce class size along with our music and PE teacher. So go team, and now we're back at it, second year of STEAM. A little bit about myself. I've taught kindergarten, first, third. I have worked in special ed as an ed tech. This is my 7th year in New York. I started as the technology teacher and coach for both Village and Coastal, and then morphed into STEAM teacher. So stoked to be back this year. Let's talk a little bit about our program. So our STEAM program basically is based on the premise that students are today's problem solvers. Yes, tomorrow also, but they need to know that they're today's problem solvers. And notice that STEAM, we have an A, we're not just STEM. So we included the arts because we really believe that the arts are a way to present issues that need solutions in a way that people can hear and see and understand. Arts is like the value-added piece of infrastructure. You can send and receive information on a different plane through the arts, and there's such a value in beauty. And there's the ongoing question of how we make human life worth living, and why not bring beauty to some of our engineered solutions. So we hope to engage students with the world around them, both near and far, and to help them understand their role and ability as a change maker, so they can look honestly at the real problems of the world and see opportunities for engineering solutions and not barriers. We will be working with an eye on UNESCO's Sustainable Development Goals. They offer really important targets for investigation and invention. And a lot of our structure is really based on the next-gen science standards, which are not just science, because they're realizing, hey, science and engineering are inextricably linked. So they provide really good standards for what students should be able to do, rather than goals for what students should know. So in NGSS, or Next Gen Science Standards, every performance criteria has science and engineering practices, core ideas, and of like what students should know, and cross-cutting concepts. So you'll hear more about cross-cutting concepts, but they really bridge that boundary between science and engineering. And by naming and teaching these cross-cutting concepts, we can really help students understand and make sense of their world. Along those lines with NGSS, I'm responsible for teaching 2 units of science for every grade level. So for second, a bundle of selecting and using materials in the design process, I'm responsible for properties and states of matter and properties of materials. In third grade, the bundle is using magnetic force, and I'm responsible for force and motion and electric and magnetic forces. And then for fourth grade, changes over time to Earth's surfaces and resources, and I'm responsible for rock patterns and changing land. For ongoing information, we'd love a follow on Instagram at STEAM@Cress. Thank you so much for your time, and enjoy the rest of your virtual open house.